Your starter only needs 60 grams of whole wheat flour in a 3/4 liter jar. You can do this in a Tupperware as well. And then we're going to add 60 grams of warm water. The key here is the warm water. I like to use a fork, and you're going to mix it until everything is thoroughly mixed. It's going to have a thick dough-like texture, so don't be nervous. It's going to look like this. We're going to go ahead and cover this and set it in a warm place for 2 days. This is after 24 hours. You can see how it's gotten darker. It has some little dark water or liquid on top. That's okay. Cover him back up and let him sit another 24 hours. This is 24 hours later. You can see bubbles are starting to form. He's still dark in color, but those bubbles are a great indicator. Now we're at day 3. We are going to remove half of this mixture. All the measurements are down below that are super particular, but you're going to remove half, and we're going to do the same thing. We are going to add 60 grams this time of all-purpose flour. And then once again, we need that nice warm water, and we're going to add 60 grams of warm water to this. And mix it up really good with a fork until it's thoroughly mixed. Once again, it is going to be a thick dough, except it's much lighter in color now that we've added that white flour. So it looks good, smells good. We're going to go ahead and cover it up and set it in a warm place again. We're going to continue to do this for days 4 and 5. Here is day 6. Lots of bubbles. It's a nice creamy color. Once again, we take it out and it's again that dough-like texture. Here is day 6. The jar is almost full. At day 7, you will see it starting to explode. Nice big bubbles on the top. The jar is full. It's frothy looking. This is perfect. Let's do a float test. Take a little drop of your dough and drop it into water. If it floats, here's the big test. And it floats. Your yeast is now ready. Here is your sourdough starter. The float test is key. So now you can save this in the refrigerator or bake your bread right now.